Today, we embark on an emotional journey into the heart of a song that resonates globally. Bob Marley's No Woman, No Cry. This musical prophet embodied a unique essence that spread his message of love and unity across the world. Bob Marley was a beacon of hope. His songs echoed the pulse of humanity, a rhythm that still resonates within us today. No Woman, No Cry is a testament to the timeless connection. No Woman, No Cry is one of Bob's most iconic songs, and its meaning resonates with a wide audience. In this context, Bob Marley's message is one of comfort and reassurance as he addresses the women in his life, and by extension, his listeners, offering soothing words in the face of hardship. This song is laden with vivid memories of Marley's own experiences growing up in the poverty-stricken area of Trenchtown in Kingston, Jamaica. In the lyrics, he recounts scenes of friends gathering around a fire, cooking cornmeal porridge, and even acknowledges the loss of friends along the way. While the song clearly expresses the hardships faced in this environment, it also provides a sense of hope and community resilience as Marley and his friends unite in the face of adversity. Marley's relationships with women were not confined to his personal life. His music often touched on love and relationships, and he held a deep respect for women, which is evident in the song No Woman, No Cry. In the Rastafari movement, women are often referred to as queens, reflecting a reverence for their role within the community. We immediately sense a wave of nostalgia washing over us. We're transported to a simpler time when dreams were forged amidst hardship. Bob Marley takes us back to his formative years, shedding light on his experiences in the impoverished yet vibrant world of Trenchtown. This neighborhood, located in Kingston, Jamaica, was marked by hardship, but also by a deep sense of community and shared struggle. These raw, human experiences and the harsh socio-economic conditions Marley endured deeply influenced his music and life philosophy. Carries a heavy emotional weight. It's a poignant reminder of the bitterness of betrayal, of people hiding their true faces while pretending to care. We encounter a stinging critique of social inequality and deception. Marley, with his keen sense of observation, discerns the false pretenses of those claiming to be on the side of the poor. He uses the term hypocrites to reveal the duplicity of these individuals and institutions, infusing the song with a sense of bitterness and frustration. This is an acknowledgement of the social struggles he and his community faced, and his refusal to remain silent about them. The deeply poignant verse holds within them a deep sorrow, a testament to the harsh realities of life in Trenchtown. It's a mourning, a nod to the friends who were victims of the same struggles yet couldn't make it through. These words demonstrate the heart-wrenching acknowledgement of loss. This is Marley giving voice to the pain of losing friends to the same struggles they all were trying to survive: violence, poverty, and systemic oppression. The emotional weight of these words carries a universal resonance. Regardless of our personal circumstances, we've all experienced the pain of loss, and this shared empathy is what makes Marley's music so universally impactful. Oh, by the way, if you're getting value from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe man, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Thank you. Carries a profound emotional resonance, acting as a philosophical reminder of our roots and our journey. Marley urges us to recognize the limitless potential that lies ahead. It's an optimistic sentiment, a beacon of hope promising brighter days. This is particularly moving, given the hardships Marley faced growing up in Trenchtown. Despite those challenges, he never lost sight of the promise of a better future. He speaks to us all, urging us to keep hope alive, to dream big, to strive for better times and brighter days. This is a deeply emotional affirmation that resonates with anyone who has hoped for a brighter future, creating a powerful bond between Marley and his listeners. However, Marley adds a gentle caveat. This is a reminder to hold on to our roots, to to remember our journeys and to acknowledge the experiences that have shaped us. It carries a wealth of emotion. Remembering our past can bring a mix of joy and sorrow, pride and regret, nostalgia and longing. Our past, with its victories, failures, joys, and heartbreaks, is part of our identity. It has a direct hand in shaping who we are and what we'll become. Marley emphasizes the importance of maintaining this connection to our history. It's a sentiment born from his own experiences. He never forget his roots entrenched down, using his music to share his experiences and raise awareness about the struggles faced by his community. His message is clear. While we strive for a better future, we must also honor our past. Doing so allows us to remain grounded, providing us with a rich source of wisdom and strength as we navigate the path ahead. These words, while simple, pack an emotional punch. They encourage us to balance our aspirations for the future with respect for our past. They remind us to honor our journey, to remember where we've come from, the trials we've faced, the lessons we've learned, and the victories we've earned. They encourage us to keep dreaming, keep striving, but also stay true to ourselves and our roots. And most importantly, they remind us that we are not defined solely by our past or our future, but by how we reconcile the two. The chorus, "No woman, no cry," is a lullaby, a tender balm on a troubled heart. Marley sings this chorus with a sincerity that you can't help but feel, offering comfort to all those struggling women, reaffirming that better days are yet to come. In every note, every word of "No woman, no cry," there lies an emotion, a story, a lesson. Marley invites us not just to listen, but to feel, to connect, to understand. No woman, no cry. We feel a soothing resonance, like a comforting balm on a weary soul. This chorus serves as an emotional anchor for the song, a repeating message of reassurance against the stark realities portrayed in the verses. Despite the grief and hardships, the chorus implores listeners not to shed tears, but to hold on to hope and the promise of better days ahead. We feel a sense of unity, a collective resistance against adversity. These are not just words. They paint a vivid picture of endurance, unity, and hope. This line describes a simple yet profound act of camaraderie, the shared act of keeping a fire burning, provide warmth and light in the darkest hours. This image reflects the strength of community, the power of unity, and the indomitable spirit of resilience. Captures the essence of shared experiences, reminding us of the humanity that binds us together in our struggles. It's a humbling image, a humble meal prepared collectively, shared with love and compassion. The act of sharing food, especially in times of scarcity, is a testament to the solidarity and communal bond among the people of Trenchtown. It's a reflection of a community that, despite its struggles, continues to value unity, sharing, and togetherness. As Marley reassures the listener, he transcends the barriers of personal experience to connect with anyone facing hardships. The song is a reminder that better days are ahead, and it encourages listeners to remain hopeful despite the struggles they might currently be facing. Throughout the song, Bob paints a vivid picture of the difficulties he and his friends endured, but he also reflects on the sense of community and shared resilience. It's a soothing reassurance to his listeners, particularly the women in his life, not to cry or despair, despite the challenges they are facing. It's a powerful message of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. The recurring theme of this song, and indeed much of Marley's work, is the strength of the human spirit. Despite living in a society marked by economic and social hardships, Marley finds solace in his memories, the communal spirit, and the shared struggle. This phrase offers comfort and consolation to anyone going through a hard time, promising that things will improve and get better, and everything will indeed be alright. It's a testament to Marley's optimism and faith in the power of hope and resilience. This universal message is a significant part of why Bob Marley's music continues to resonate with so many people worldwide. In every note, every word of No Woman, No Cry, Marley invites us not just to listen, but to feel, to connect, to understand. Let's carry with us the emotion, the humanity, and the hope that this song so beautifully encapsulates. We realize that Bob Marley's No Woman, No Cry is not merely a song. It's a narrative, a testament, an anthem. It's an emotional journey that navigates through the singer's experiences, reflecting on the harsh realities of life in Trenchtown, while also projecting a message of hope and resilience. Marley's music bridges the gap between personal experiences and universal emotions, ensuring that his songs are not just heard, but felt deeply. And remember, wherever you are, whatever you're going through, in times of adversity and hardship, check out this second video in the series linked above. Is this love that I'm feeling? So, in essence, No Woman, No Cry is Bob Marley's heartfelt ode to resilience, hope, and communal solidarity, even in the face of life's most significant challenges. It's an anthem that continues to inspire and provide solace to listeners worldwide, affirming Marley's enduring legacy as a musician and a cultural icon. Thank you for journeying with us through the emotional landscape of No Woman, No Cry. Let's carry Marley's message of hope, unity, and resilience in our hearts. And as we part today, let's carry with us the emotion, the humanity, and the hope that this song so beautifully encapsulates. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through No Woman, No Cry. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comment below what you think about these timeless words of the legend Bob Marley. J-irie Caribbean is your definitive channel where we explore the beauty, culture, and today's challenges of the Caribbean. This is J-irie Caribbean. See you in the next video.